Hello guys, a new video in Android development course, and in this video we're gonna learn how to install JDK and configure Android Studio and to set up environment to develop Android apps. So let's start with it. First of all, we have to download JDK, which is Java Development Kit, and it's essential for writing code in Java to make Android apps or develop them. So first of all, you're going to do that and just open your browser, type in download JDK 8 and just navigate to oracle.com Java and development kit. So there you go. And this website is a bit changed now, but few months ago it was another thing. Yeah, so you got images, set installers for everything, for many types of operating systems. So we're going to download for Windows into 64-bit because my machine is 64-bit. You have to know what your machine is running on. Is it 64-bit or 32-bit? So Into86 is used for 32-bit. I'm not going to download the upper one. I'm going to download 64-bit. So just click on download here, and it will ask you to accept terms and conditions. Just click on that, and it will take you up to sign in page. So if you don't have an account, you have to make one. So make one and just download will automatically start, and it will take up some time. So once the download is complete, open the installer, means the exe file, regular installation, and just click next, start, just click next.
So now the destination folder is C program files, Java JRE. So just click next again, and it will just install Java. Oh, nice! 3 billion devices run Java. Great! It's the #1 development platform. Of course it is, because many of the Android developers use Java to develop apps.
So now Java is successfully installed. We'll just close this wizard and just about Java. Click on that. It will show you a small prompt, version 8, update 251 and build 1.8.0. That's the thing we want. We should have build upper than 1. So that's it. So now the next thing we are going to do, we have already installed Android Studio. So the next thing will be to open our Android Studio and configure it. So now once you open it, and first thing that I recommend you to do is to check for updates. So you can get this from here, check for updates. You can just click on this and it will probably have update for it, and just go and make a new project out there. Just choose any templates you want. I'll just have empty activity, and I'll just click next again. I'll just name my application, and language will be Java, and the minimum SDK means the minimum version that we want, our minimum Android version on which we want our app to run. So I'll just say Oreo, or maybe 6. Let's start with 6, Marshmallow. So it show you that your app run on approximately 84.9% of devices. Okay, that's great. So you can change the location of your project. So I'll just say that you create a new folder in local disk C and direct there. I'll just say projects, and I'll recommend you to do same thing, and I'll just have all my projects in there, and just say I'll go there. Where is projects? Where it is? Yeah, here you go. So just click next and just give it a package name, give it a application name, and the package name is what shows on your Google Play or domain. I'll just show you out there in the next video that how should we configure this as well. So now we'll just create a new project, just click finish, and it will create a project for us, and it will take up some time to load the project. Not that much, but still it's gonna take. So there we go. So now as you can see here, it's loading, so we can pause it from here. It's building our project actually, and this version is 3.6. so I'm just gonna close it by clicking over there, and this is the project we got. So don't touch anything until it's built successfully. There you go, it's built successfully built, and there we go. And the Gradle is, unzipping on there, you can see. So wait for it as well. So now to change theme, first of all you have to go in settings, and you can go by clicking Ctrl Alt S. I'll just go from here, and you go in appearance and behavior, and after there appearance, and there is a theme. You can just choose any theme you want. Dracula, so this is, I think, yeah, dark theme, and you can choose high contrast, and it looks something like this. It's only in the newer versions, and IntelliJ, this is white, and you can use the custom fonts by clicking here, and you can just specify the font size if you want to have bigger fonts, and that's it. So to have auto import in our project, the import are these statements which we make. Now we want them to automatically put in our project. So how can we do that? We can just go in files, open settings, and just search for auto import in search box, and normally it's inside editor journal auto import, and there it is. So in the language Java, insert imports on paste. I want to do this to all, so it will automatically paste imports. Okay, so I'll just apply. Okay, that's it. That's the configuration of Windows. To configure Android Studio on Mac OS, this thing is saying that we have to install Java Development Kit, and to check first of all if we have Java, so we can check out by searching Spotlight terminal. Just open that terminal, just type in Java, and you may see that it's saying no Java runtime present, requesting install. So it's saying to me to use the Java command line tool, you need to install a JDK. So that's what we want. I will just say okay. So I will just go on my browser and just search for download Java JDK, yeah. So just search for it. I'll just go to Java SE Development Kit 8, and this is the same website. I'll just go down and I'll search for macOS. So there we go, macOS. It's around 254 MBs, so I'll just download that DMG file. And before starting the download, you have to log in like we did in Windows 1 as well. So I'll just log in my account. If you don't have one, then make one, because it's required. Okay, we will just wait for the download to complete. The download is finished. Open that DMG file and just wait the downloads. There we go, and open that DMG file, and I'll just skip it. and walk through the standard installation. What I mean by that. So just open this. Once the installation is finished, and space version, so it's gonna show me the version of Java present and that is installed, that we have just installed in our Mac. So Java version 1.8.0 underscore 251, and that's right. So this is what we want, and there you go in our Android Studio. So we have to do the setup. If you haven't done, just follow it through the wizard. Once the components are finished downloading, click finish, then you're good to go. There you go, it's going like this, and you can just configure, and first of all check for updates. If there are any, then download them and install those updates. And in preferences, editor to auto import, go in editor, general, auto import, and there you go. Under Java, insert imports on paste, do it all. So it will paste imports on our project every time. It will not ask us. So that we want. And you can start a new Android project by clicking here. Great. So wait for the project to load and you're finished to go. That's it. That's pretty simple, I think. Anyone can do that.